everyone, I am Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am sharing one more video to solve a codezinger question using JavaScript. Let's get started. We will solve this question. Question is we have to find if the array has an element whose value is half of the sum of the array. It means we have given array's element 1, 2, 3. And 3 is the length of the array because there are only 3 elements. First, we will check the sum of the arrays. Let's 1, 2, 3. The array's element sum is 6. If we find the half of the sum, we will get 3. And we will check 3 is present in this array or not. If it is present, we will simply print this yes, otherwise no. Question is this. First, we will read both the inputs here by using readLine function which is already declared here. You will notice here A is already read by readLine function and A is the length of the array. Let another variable is ARR. We will read another elements of the array. Using I am invoking readLine function here. If I pass this A and ARR as a parameter of solution function, we simply print both the input using console.log. I print both the input here. If I call this function here, in res variable, then I console res. If I run this, yes, we have input. But you will notice here we have a string. But for performing operations or accessing every element to check the sum, half of the sum is present or not, we should convert this string into an array. For converting this array, I am using split method. Split will convert this string into an array. Yes. For dividing every character as a string, we will pass an empty string here. Okay. For removing the space here, because we don't need space, I am giving here space in empty string. Yes. For converting every character string, we will use map method here, in which I am assigning number data type. It will convert every character string into a number. Then we will check the sum of the half of the sum. For first, we need to an variable. Let sum is a variable which is initialized or in which I am passing 0. Because let's sum is 0. For accessing every element, I am using for loop here, in which I am declaring a variable I, which is initialized by 0. It will check every element till the end of the array. That's why if I is less than 2a, then for incrementing the value of I am using an post increment operator here, in which then I am assigning every element after adding in some variable. We can use sum plus equal to operator here for this. And next condition is we will check half of sum is present or not in this array. Then we will use add dot index of operator, index of method, check the every value of the index, and if it is not fine, it will return -1. Then we will check index of sum of half of sum. Half of sum for this, we are divided sum by 2. If it is not equal to -1, then we will return yes, otherwise no. And else condition will be return no. If I run this program, yes, it means 3 is present in this array. If I check the test cases here, yes, all the test cases are passed. That this is a perfect code to find the half of the sum present in this array or not. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you find any confusion in this question, you can comment in a comment section. And we will solve another question in another video.